Today, under the vast cosmic canopy, we pause to offer our gratitude and prayers to Prabhanzha Uyir, the soul of the universe. Every star, every galaxy, and every planet is a testament to the harmony and brilliance of the universe. This gratitude unites us with the celestial realms, reminding us of our connection to this infinite cosmos. Let us close our eyes, breathe deeply, and synchronize our hearts with the rhythm of the universe. Together we send our prayers to Prabhanzha Uyir, asking for guidance, peace, and balance for all beings. May this prayer echo through the stars, reaching every corner of creation. Let the light of gratitude illuminate every soul, inspiring harmony between Earth, its people, and the universe beyond. Join us every Wednesday as we honor the universe and embrace its infinite blessings. Ramesh, Kakkan, and Vision Prabhanzha Uyir team.